Do you want to do things right? Keep track of the days you spend in a country and sleep peacefully with your safe and legal data. First, go through the Tsubacheck website and create the subscription that best suits you. Then, it's time to download the app. You will receive an email with a user code and 12 keywords. When you enter them, make your account unique. Then, you'll pass a quick and easy KYC. Then make your first check-in. A proof of life, a certified geolocation, you take a photo and everything is saved on the blockchain. Even if you don't understand all that legalese, your steps are immutably recorded. If you want, you can check your annual day count. At first they will be few, but if you reach 183, you can take the check-in more slowly. Every month, your free PDF and CSV report of all your check-ins is generated in your app. You can use these reports yourself or send them to your tax expert so that they can be attached to your dossier. The idea is to simplify your life. Introduce its bump as another routine in your day-to-day and sleep much more peacefully.